Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys in my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to go guys Lava Mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Lava Mobile guys sound setting, and today video title is guys how to turn off vibrate for call setting in Lava Mobile. Friends, you don't want to use vibrate for call setting in your Lava Mobile, so how to turn off vibrate for call setting one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, now let's see how to turn off vibrate for call setting and how to use sound and vibration setting in Lava Mobile. Open your phone setting friends. After turn phone setting, you can see this type interface. So friends, in your Lava Mobile, open your phone. Sound setting, sound vibration setting. After turn guys sound setting, you can set ringtone, you can set notification ringtone, you can set alarm ringtone, and you can adjust your volumes. Media volume, call volume, ringtone, notification volume, and alarm volume. You can increase and decrease. So friends, click here vibrate for call setting. So friends, you can see first option never vibrate option. So friends, click here vibrate for call setting will turn off and your phone will not vibrate for calls. And friends, you want your phone should vibrate for calls. So friends, click here always vibrate. Your device will always vibrate for calls, and you want to vibrate first. The ring gradually you can set. So friends, you don't want to use and you want to use, select your vibrate for call setting, and you don't want to use, so click here never vibrate. So friends, I don't want to use, so friends I will turn off vibrate for call setting. So friends, my phone will not vibrate for calls. And friends, you can use vibrate for call setting with shortcut setting. Open your phone, search setting, search your friends phone vibrate setting, vibrate for call setting, click here. Direct friends, you can off and you can on vibrate for call setting in your Lava Mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video friends. Do you have any doubts, so friends you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.